Hey there! This is a video on how to make a gold pocket watch. Okay. You'll need gold clay and one of these half a marble things that are see-through, and it's glass. And make sure you get one where the bottom is smooth as you can get. Sometimes they have a lot of texture on the bottom. Try to get yours really smooth. And also, you're going to need to print out a picture of a clock face that will be the same size as the marble. Ooh, one more thing. First thing you're going to want to do is cut out your clock image and then use some glaze and paint a really thin coat on there, and then put your clock image facing up on the bottom part. And then once that's all dry, you take some gold clay. There you go. I'll zoom in. Okay. And then your clock image will already be on there. Then what you want to do is press it down. It'll be kind of stiff. Okay. And then just pat it down. I used a lot more clay than I should have because I'm just doing this really quickly, so try to get yours like that much of a width of clay instead of woo. Okay. So it'll look like that with the clock image, of course. Then the next part is you're going to want to put the top on. So get a little ball of gold clay, kind of flatten it so you get kind of like a disc, then just put it on top. Like that. Then with a needle tool of some kind, just add lines all the way around it, make little grooves in it. Then I sort of wanted a chain on mine, so I put these little dots here. So to do that, just get some clay and make little circles. Just go boop. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Anyway, until you get a full row, and then if you want to make it a charm, put a little pin in, and that's it.